Want a smartwatch that keeps up with your workouts and daily routine? The TOZO S7 Smart Watch delivers fitness tracking, health monitoring, smart notifications, and a lightweight design built for all-day wear. In this video, we'll explore its key features and see how it performs in real-world use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the TOZO S7 Smart Watch. Watch strap of your choice. Magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable. And quick start guide. Want to grab the TOZO S7 smartwatch for Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features. The all-new strap seamlessly integrates with the watch, ensuring a perfect fit and all-day comfort. Enjoy a clear display with a high screen-to-body ratio for an enhanced visual experience. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, the S7 lasts up to 7 days with heavy use and up to 10 days with typical use. Take charge of your health with TOZO S7's advanced monitoring features, giving you essential data to maintain your well-being. Check your blood oxygen levels with precise SpO2 monitoring, offering valuable insights into respiratory health. Track your stress levels with advanced monitoring, helping you manage stress and stay balanced. 100+ dynamic watch faces and sport interface icons make the watch interface more vivid and interesting, and there is something new every time you view it. Specifications. How to charge. Place the TOZO S7 smartwatch on its magnetic charging cable, making sure the charging contacts are properly aligned. Then connect the charger to a power source. Charging begins automatically once the charging icon appears on the display. How to pair. Download the TOZO Health app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Locate the side button on your TOZO S7 smartwatch. Then press and hold it until the TOZO logo appears. Wait a few moments for the watch to finish starting up before continuing with the setup process. Open the TOZO Health app on your smartphone and tap Add Device. When the TOZO S7 smartwatch appears, tap to connect and confirm the pairing code shown on both devices. Agree to the required terms, then wait while the watch syncs and completes the setup process. After pairing, select your wrist preference and button orientation in the TOZO Health app. Review and customize features such as activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate guidance. You can also adjust snore detection, backups, and fall detection later in the app. Safety precautions. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your TOZO S7 smartwatch. See you in the next one.